This mid-tower case stands out with its panoramic dual-tempered glass design, giving a wide, museum-like view of components and collectibles while still feeling sturdy on the desk. 6 pre-installed pulse-width modulation addressable RGB fans deliver both strong airflow and smooth customizable lighting effects, so you can tune cooling and aesthetics through motherboard software instead of juggling separate controllers. The interior layout is thoughtfully divided, making cable management and hardware installation easier, and the snap-on panels mean you can get inside quickly without hunting for tools. Support for full-size ATX, micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, long graphics cards, tall air coolers, and a top-mounted 360mm radiator makes this chassis flexible enough for ambitious gaming or creator builds. Airflow is clearly a priority, with side intake fans using reverse blades, top and rear exhaust fans, and magnetic dust filters that help keep temperatures in check while reducing long-term cleaning chores. Front panel connectivity is modern and practical, combining a Type-C port, multiple universal serial bus ports, and separate audio jacks so everyday peripherals and headsets plug in without fuss.